Today, BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean your Luger. Aw, yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Alright, howdy folks. It is me, BangMung. We are here with yet another video. Today we're going to be going over cleaning the Luger P-08. This is the first cleaning video we have going on here. Some of them will be disassembly, some of them will be just cleaning because, well, I don't know how to disassemble some of these guys, and I'd rather not struggle and figure it out and possibly ruin it, so... This will be just a cleaning because I've heard that these guys are a pain to clean sometimes. Well, not a pain to clean, but a pain to disassemble. And, oh, I forgot to mention, we got my brother behind the camera, as usual. Say hi. Okay, cool. So, here we have the Luger P-08 once again. And after shooting it, you know, it gets a bit dirty, so you want to keep that nice and maintained. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So, we're going to be using just some simple cleaning. We got this oil. I'm not sure if it's a good kind or not. I just use what my dad has. And we got a boar snake. You can get these wherever. Really simple. They are quite long, but you need it to be long to clean. I'm not sure if this is one for the 9mm, but it's going to work. It's going to work. So, we got all this, and then we just got to... So not only are we going to just have a boar snake in this, we're also going to have an old ratty towel, so that way it can soak up all the oil. Why do you keep doing this? Alright, so with our composure regained again, we have the old ratty towel that you need just to have the oil going in, so that way you're not damaging all your stuffs. And with this, we can get the Luger started cleaning-wise. So you want to have the safety off, so that way you can actually, you know, operate the mechanism. And a mag in, showing clear for the mag and the chamber. So you want to just put your mag in, and then that will get the slide catch going. I'm not sure how you would do that inside the gun. I just do it that way because it's easier. So now that you have the barrel open, I will even show it. Like you can get a look at the dirt in there actually a little bit. Turn my light on and see, it's probably a bit dirty. Obviously I can't see because, you know, I got the camera there, but I'll see in post. So probably looking a little dirty, probably not, but it's going to look nice. So what you want to do is you want to take your oil, give a little bit of a squirt down the barrel, a little bit up here. Then you want to take your boar snake with this little shoelace looking side up. And let's just slither it down the barrel. And it'll come out the other side wherever, right there. You just want to start feeding it through. It'll give you a bit of resistance, but that's what you want. I think this one's a bit... This one needs... I think I need a bit of a bigger one, actually. This ought to do her. That way it gets... Like, you want it to have a bit of resistance. That way it really gets against the barrel and gets all that dirt and grime cleaned right out of there. So just same procedure as before. Just take a little... Just nice and slow. I'll polish it, clean it, because if you look right in here, it's probably a little hard to see, but there's actually little copper hooks, like little scratchy things, that'll go up against the barrel, and it'll clean it right out, but it won't damage the gun at all. It'll just get all that dirt and stuff out of there. So, once again, showing clear, magazine is not in the gun, and now I will show you again, and see, that made quite a difference, didn't it? Nice and shiny. It is quite good. Hopefully, I don't know yet. Now, I will look myself. Take the glasses off so you know this is a serious endeavor. You can see my eyes. And, yep, that is looking much better. You can actually see the rifling in there. Okay, so that's how you would go about cleaning the barrel. Really simple process. You could deep clean it if you want. I'm a lazy bitch, so I don't want to. Gotta get that out of my... It's starting to get hot around the mouth. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's how you would go about cleaning your barrel. You can deep clean it if you want. Like I said, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and lower this for right now. And, yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and... Well, I'm actually going to leave this open here because you can also take a little bit of oil. I'm going to squirt it back in there. A little bit in this side. You don't have to use as much as I do. I'm just horrible at managing it. And you can just start racking the action. That way it makes it a lot more smooth to operate. It's not as locked up. Just do that however many times you feel. I'm just going to do it about that many times. And there we go. Now to make all the fuds mad and dry fire this. Yeah, I just did that. You can't do anything about it. Not again. Okay, so now that you have your action nice and smooth, your barrel nice and clean, now you can go about tidying up the outside. I'm going to just do a little drop of oil here, a little drop of oil there. And you take your ratty towel and you just start wiping it down. So all you gotta do is just make sure it's nice. A little goes a long way, unless you want to be weird and fucking drown the thing. Then why would you want to do that? So just give it a nice wipe down. It'll look brand new in no time. Except mine won't. It's a bit rugged around the edges, but that don't make no difference. Just nice and wipey. Oh, you're still filming. Just give it a nice clean down. Would you look at that? Looks a bit more shiny. Looks a bit more good. I'm gonna go back over this a few more times off camera because it's got a little bit on there. And I'm not sure if this oil is good for a healing tattoo, so hopefully I don't get herpes from that. But I'm going to even oil the mag a little bit, because like I said in the shooting video, this mag spring is quite tight, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a little... And I'm not really sure where to spurt this oil in. Right there. Just give it a little bits and blicks. This down with what I have on the excess. You don't really have to do this. I'm just doing it because I can. I feel like it. So that does feel like it's making a difference, but I can't really tell because this is just the tightest spring known to man. I mean, look at this shit. Boom, right up there. But really, that's all there is to it. Cleaning your Luger. I mean, disassembling it, that's a whole other process. I'm not doing it. Look up on YouTube, find another channel that's bigger than mine. But yeah, that's how you clean your Luger P-08. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick video on how to go about a simple clean. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, or don't. You can leave me here. But that's pretty much all there is. So I am the greatest channel that is soon to come up, BangMung, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta.